To send money with PayPal, start by logging into your account at the PayPal website or through the mobile app. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you are logged in, click on the Send and Request tab at the top of the page. Then select Send Money to Friends and Family or Pay for Goods and Services. Depending on the purpose of your transaction, enter the recipient's email address or mobile number, and the amount you want to send. You can also add a note to the payment if you want to include any additional information. Next, choose your funding source, which can be a bank account, credit card, or your PayPal balance. If you are using a bank account or credit card, you may be prompted to log into your account or enter your card details. Review the transaction details to make sure everything is correct, including the amount, recipient, and funding source. If everything looks good, click the Send Money button to complete the transaction. It is also a good idea to check the fees associated with the transaction, as these can vary depending on the funding source and the recipient's location. In addition, consider using the PayPal app to send money on the go, as it offers the same functionality as the website but with the added convenience of being able to send money from your mobile device. Overall, sending money with PayPal is a quick and easy process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following these steps and taking the time to review the transaction details, you can ensure that your money is sent safely and securely. It is also worth noting that PayPal offers a range of additional features and services, such as the ability to request money from others, set up recurring payments, and track your transaction history. These features can be accessed through the PayPal website or mobile app, and can help you to manage your finances and stay on top of your payments. By using PayPal to send money, you can take advantage of the convenience and security that the service provides, and enjoy a hassle-free payment experience.